Okay, so for the little planner binder, I want to cover up the edge so this color doesn't show through. And I am going to do that by using some wide washi tape. So I'm going to go in first though and add a strip of some adhesive tape all the way on the inner edge. And then I'm also going to do it on the outer edge, just so I know that this is really going to stick down. Okay, so I've gone around all my edges. I didn't worry about it being completely even, as you can see here, because it's going to get covered up right up to, where the edges there of the tape. So it was more to cover up the inside portion as well as like just the very edge. So I'm also going to add just a little bit to cover this white part. And I'm just going to go in again with my tape and going to add the washi tape. And that's just going to help to camouflage. So you can't tell that it is just like a planner binder. All right, so I'm going to continue on to hide this inner portion here, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, so I've got the portion here all filled in on the inside. I'm going to go in and cover up this right here as well, the spine, the same way using washi tape and the adhesive tape. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so now I've selected the papers that I'd like to use on the inside cover of my little binder, and I'm going to cut it down to the size that I need. And I'm going to go with this lighter color. Okay, so I have my pieces cut down. Okay, so I got the inside covers done. Now, some of my washi tape is lifting a little bit, but I am not too concerned. I can just snip that off. You could always just glue it back down too if you wanted. Okay, so now I am going to do my front cover. Okay, so I grabbed a couple of sheets of paper. I wasn't sure which one I wanted. I wanted to go with something kind of vintage. So this one, you can see it's got staining on it, and this one's got some gold script. I'm just going to see, because I'm going to be placing the applique on top. So I'm going to see how that looks. So I'm going to cut one piece down, again, 5 1/4 by 8 1/2, and I'm going to cut down one piece for the front, and then I'm going to cut down one piece for the back side. Okay, so I glued my pieces of paper down, and I kind of misaligned my sheet, so the back side is fine. I took a bone folder and really burnished it down. So what I'm going to do is actually go back in and put a thinner strip of washi tape all around the edge, just to make sure that it's all nice and cleaned up. Okay, so I've got that done, and now I'm just gonna go in and add embellishments to the cover. And this is where you can get really inventive. I'm gonna add this piece that I had coffee stain from BB Craft, and I'll probably just add some words. I might add a little bit more like stamping or whatnot, but yeah, so you can just watch the process now. Okay, so just a few things I wanted to just kind of go over. I am going to finish the insides off another day. You can see that on the inside here, it's not done. But this is just going to be a book to just write some thoughts and do some journaling. This I am going to do a little bit more. So stay tuned for that. It will be a work in progress. So just a few things. If, again, you plan on gifting these to anybody, I would definitely use some really good adhesives and make sure everything is good and sealed up. And especially the washi tape, make sure you use a good adhesive to make sure that it's all stuck down. So far, mine is holding up really well, but if it's, being shipped somewhere, I'm not sure if the adhesive tape will hold everything down. Anyway, so I really hope you enjoyed watching the process of how I create some journals for myself, just with some few art techniques and some embellishments. Let me know down below in the comment section what you like best, and if you have any additional thoughts. Thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care.